Hello there, and welcome to Gala Tent. For over 20 years, Gala Tent has grown to become the UK's leading supplier of affordable marquees and gazebos to the professional events industry. Every October, the biggest events and shows expo, the Showman show, is held at Newbury Showground, where circus tents mingle with pop-up gazebos. Classic party tents mix with clear span marquees, and stretch tents stand proudly beside popcorn machines. Unfortunately, due to the pandemic, the show cannot be held this year. For many years, we as Gala Tent have had a strong presence at the Showman show, and for this year that outdoor events are postponed or cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we wanted to show our support for an event that holds a special place in our hearts. So, for the next 2 days that we might have been visiting Newbury to see our friends in the industry, we've partnered with the Showman show and we'll be sharing our products, services, team and best deals with you at home, both via our own platforms or via the official Showman show website and social media. You'll get to meet our products close up, as well as hear about them from other people other than myself, such as our expert sales team or our senior leadership team. Throughout the next 2 days, we'll have competitions and offers, so keep coming back to your preferred social media channel and see what else we've got for you. The running order of our online schedule is as follows. At 11 AM, we're going to be introducing you to a brand new pop-up gazebo, which is perfect for the events industry. At 2 PM, we're going to be giving you a closer look at marquees, and we might even have some offers for you. And at 4 PM, our Managing Director Jason Mace will be with me to chat about his best-selling entrepreneurial self-help book, Event Industry Boss, The Secret to Becoming Successful in the Event Industry. Tomorrow, it'll be all about our fantastic accessorising services and products such as luxurious linings, professional printing and premium brand flooring. Plus, we'll be chatting to our colleagues over at Gala Technology to discuss about the groundbreaking SotPay payment software and how it can save an event promoter thousands in ticketing fees and bank charges. So, thanks for watching just now. I'll see you in a few hours. Please go and visit www.galatent.co.uk to browse our incredible products for the event industry. And if you've got any questions, just give us a call on 01709 242454 and we'll be happy to help. See you later.